Hey there, drilling enthusiasts. Welcome back to Drilling Nerd, the ultimate hub for all your drilling hacks and tricks. I'm your host, John, and today we have got a hands on guide for you. Ever found yourself needing to replace a drill chuck? Well, you are in luck. In this video, we'll walk you through the step by step process of replacing a drill chuck like a pro. And stick around till the end because we have got something special to share from our website drillingnerd.com, where we put power tools to the test and provide in-depth reviews. So let's dive into it. Alright folks, replacing a drill chuck might sound like a daunting task, but trust me, it's easier than you think. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Safety first. Before we start, remember to always prioritize safety. Wear protective gears like safety goggles and gloves to avoid any accidents. Step 2. Unplug the drill. Safety first, right? Make sure your drill is unplugged or the battery is removed before we begin any work. Step 3. Open the chuck. Now, open the chuck as wide as it can go. This will expose the screw at the center. Step 4. Remove the screw. Using an Allen wrench, insert it into the screw at the center of the chuck. Turn the wrench counterclockwise to loosen and remove the screw. Step 5. Remove the old chuck. With the screw out of the way, grab the chuck with one hand and use a wrench to turn it counterclockwise. The old chuck should now come off easily. Step 6. Attach the new chuck. Place the new chuck onto the drill spindle and turn it clockwise by hand to secure it in place. Step 7. Tighten the chuck. To fully secure the new chuck, use the wrench to turn it clockwise. Make sure it's tightly in place. Step 8. Reattach the screw. Insert the screw back into the center of the chuck and use the Allen wrench to turn it clockwise, tightening it snugly. And there you have it, folks. See, replacing a drill chuck isn't as tricky as it seems. Now you are ready to take on your drilling projects with renewed precision. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more drilling tips and tricks. But wait, there's more. Over at drillingnerd.com, we are your go-to source for power tool reviews, in-depth analysis, and expert advice. Be sure to visit our website to stay up to date with the latest in the drilling world.